Hi students, welcome back to the class. Today I am going to explain the topic types of neuron from the chapter nervous system. I hope all of you know about the structure of neuron and what I am teaching the previous class. So come to the point. Today I am going to explain the topic types of neuron. So in all over the body having seen different types of neurons having different functions. Each neurons having different function. According to this, the neuron classified into three types. The first one, sensory neuron. Sensory neuron. So that word is also given the idea about that neuron. First one, sensory neuron. What's the other name? Afferent neuron. Afferent neuron. Second one, motor neuron. Motor neuron. Other name, afferent neurons. Third one, connecting neurons. Connecting neurons or interneurons. Today I will give you the explanation about these three neurons, types of neurons. First one, sensory neurons. Sense. In the help of sense organ, we are identifying the stimuli. For example, sound. Which organ? Our ear is also helped to receiving the sound. And smell. In the help of nose. And some of the things hot or cold, easy to identify in the help of skin. So everywhere these types of neurons present. According to this, easy to identify the message from the outside. So here, what is meant by sensory neurons? The main function means sense, identifying that. For example, we are receiving the impulse from the outside or surroundings and sending to our brain and spinal cord. Means that message, the nerve impulse sending to our brain and spinal cord. That's the main function of the sensory neuron. Receiving the neurons from the outside source, and in the help of this sensory neuron, sending or transmitting the message into the brain and spinal cord. That's the main function. Okay. And the second one, motor nerves. Motor nerves. So the motor nerves means replied. It is a carry the information or the message from the brain into the all part of the body. That means our muscles or the glands that act as a effector. Which organ or which part of the body act as an effector, the message sending into that particular place, particular area. The best example, put the finger into the hot water. What happened? We are suddenly take away from the finger from the hot water. Why? Within microsecond, we are find easy to identify that water is hot. It is harm for the finger and the skin. That's why we are take away from the water. So this information given by our brain. That's it. How to this information getting the help of the brain sending that the item, that means that water is hot, that is not good for our health and finger, means skin. That's why we are away from the water. Okay. So that's the main function of motor nerves. Second one, connecting neurons. Connecting neurons, otherwise interneurons, means the message, means the impulse passing or sending a sensory neuron to motor nerve. Sensory nerves, neurons to motor nerves. So that nerves is called connecting nerves. The connecting between sensory nerves and the motor nerves. I hope all of you understood this topic. What is meant by sensory nerves or neurons? Sense, identify that stimuli and sending to our main organ, brain or spinal cord. And second one, motor, in the help of the brain is identifying, interpret what is the message that's good for us or not. Each and everything is also calculated, identifying in our brain. As a result, the brain will give the information into that effector site. As a result, we are take away or run or whatever we are doing at the time of action. Okay. The third neuron means connecting neuron. So this message passing through only the sensory neuron to motor nerves. So I hope all of you understood this topic. Thank you.